Beautiful.
It's like having an ice cream sundae.
Going up to dog park, but I'm lazy, so I'm gonna get as close as I can to the antenna because I don't like to climb. That's why I'm turning here at the church. Then on the second one we make a left. We are looking for that antenna right there. You see, I'm gonna park as close as I can to the antenna. Right turn here. And then turn left on Calle del Dios. Again, looking for the antenna. This is the closest paved road to the trailhead. The trailhead is right there where you see the dogs. That's my starting point to walk. Well, I cannot wear sandals to do trail maintenance, so I need to get proper shoes. Time to dig. As close as I can get to the trailhead, and that's the tower right there. So I go to the fork and saves me a lot of climbing to get here. Just one more hill. Beautiful view. Walking all the way up. Good morning.
Good morning.
A bunch of people already riding. Midpoint is gonna be next to the park. Trailhead.
Sure.
You don't see that every day, huh?
How are you?
Good.
Very good.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Wow. Big
Morning.
look.
She thought
Hi
she
there.
was in her house.
I don't expect any of them to go down car crash or holding the fence, but I'm clueless where they're going. It's a big group. People is already jumping this gap, and the only thing that you can do here is to fix this crack, but I don't jump this one, so I'll go to the next one. Car crash. First step is to borrow dirt outside the crack and throw it into the middle, and then basically you flat out all the extra material that you just borrow from the side, and then you dance, make it flat, nice and easy, and look for the next spot. Oh wow, we have a jacuzzi now. This way, car crash, holding the fence, and the new one that I don't remember the name yet. So you make a path for the water to go out, and all the extra there go back into the trail and fix the cracks. Okay, first riders. Morning. Morning. Exactly. You have that stuff that is new. Well, took me about an hour from pavement to the trailhead for holding the fence, car crash, and Sam's Club. So this requires a lot of work, or teamwork. That's why you see 5 guys, 1 shovel. Well, the shovel is always moving when people is working one at a time and the other one rest. That's how it's done. By yourself sucks. I'll be back tomorrow. At least all the cracks in these initial sections are somehow fixed. Nothing out of extraordinary, but will be nice to ride with no cracks. So tools are here. Use them if you need them. Thanks. Well, there's a couple of guys there. You see them right there on the left, on the right hand side. Thank you guys. Drainage clean. It's not part of the trail itself, but I clean it anyways. So this is more or less how the dirt looks like. Still muddy in some areas, dry when it's possible, but perfect time for ride or to dig. I choose to dig. Another drainage that needs some little extra help. Okay, this one is clean, beautiful. Wow, snow. You don't see that often. Look, wow, very nice. Catalina. And mission accomplished. About 2 hours, one working and one walking. Good.